What's happening? It's Johnny Snow in the building again, and doing a quick review on one of my gun bags. All right, this is a gun bag that I keep one of my Chinese Segas in. Man, I keep calling them Chinese Segas, but this is where I keep one of my AK-12s in. So this right here is the Gear Fit by Allen, and this is an awesome bag. I love this bag. It has different compartments everywhere on it. You know, and you see you got a compartment back there. You have a compartment right here. You got one up front, you know, to put stuff in. You got a little netted compartment back here in the back. Yo, and it's awesome. It's awesome. I like this. I like this a lot. And, you know, it has very good padding. Very good padding to keep your babies protected. Now let me open it on up. All right, we have Velcro up top here as well. Let me open this on up, and boom, as you see, she fits in here perfect. Fits in here perfect. You got a little bit of space right there, and you have a little bit of space right there, so you're not cramming it in there. And this right here is my, let's see if I can get this in here. This right here is my SDS Lynx 12. My SDS Lynx 12. And this is not a itty bitty gun. This is not an itty bitty gun. And this fits in here just fine, just fine. And the padding is thick padding. Let's see if you can see that padding. The padding is real thick, and it has very good stitching. The quality is great. And I actually got this off of Walmart.com. So, yo, you can go find this, and this thing, I don't know how much it costs now, but I paid like 19 bucks for it. And this is well worth $19. So, you know, check it out. If it's something that you're looking for, then I give this a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Good bag. Very good bag.